AC power, remember, is divided in two types of powers: American power, 60 Hz, or European power, 50 Hz. I explained before in the chapter 9 how one phase is produced. One phase is basically when you have in the coil on the stator only one coil. Two phases is when you have two coils a little separated, phase angle separated, and three phase is when you have three coils separated some degrees, one with respect to the other one. Let me check what happened with the American power. The American power is 60 Hz. Okay, 60 Hz should be equal to the number of poles. How many poles? 4 poles times the RPM and divided by 120. Okay, I have 4, I have 120, I have 60. Let me investigate how much are the RPMs for 60 Hz for American power. The RPMs are 1800 RPMs. Yes, the American generators, the generators to produce American electricity are running constantly at 1800 RPM. Suppose that you have a generator of 20 kilowatts. The voltage of the generator is 240 volts and the breaker is 80 amps. And you want to convert that generator, that American generator, into European generator. You want to convert into 50 Hz. Right now it's 60 and you want to convert in 50. Okay, when I convert my generator into European power, the voltage is not 240, the voltage is 230, and the frequency is 50 Hz. Okay, let me check the power. The power in the American generator is equal to the voltage, 240, times the intensity. Okay, I have 19,200 watts. I have 19.2 kilowatts in the American generator. Okay, I am going to convert the generator into European generator. The color code, single phase American power is white, green, and black. In single phase European power, I have brown, blue, and green with yellow. For double phase American, I have red, black, and green. What is the difference? The American wires, they are stranded wires, and they are elastic, not rigid like the wires used in construction. They are not approved for marine application. In marine application, you need marine grade cables. The marine grade cables are not corroded. They are flexible, and they have a higher capacity to resist high temperatures in the engine room, and they have capacity to resist contact with the oils and acids. The insulations are special insulation. In marine installation, only use marine approved electrical conductors. There are motors that work with both currents, 50 Hz or 60 Hz at the same time. Yes, the majority of the raw water pumps, electrical raw water pumps for air conditioning equipment, they have in the label 50 Hz/60 Hz. Those pumps work with the American power or European power with any inconvenience, because the winding is fabricated with a special insulation in order to work with both types of current. But those are specific cases. In general, the equipments are designed to work with American power or European power, and you need to check in the label of the equipment before you connect the equipment. This is the summary that I prepared for yours. Single phase is brown, three phase is brown, black, and gray. And neutral is blue, always in European power, and ground is green with yellow. Those are the color codes commonly used for American wire or European wire. I want that you keep in mind that picture. Depending on the gauge of the wire is the capacity of the wire to move amps, to move electrons. Try to keep in mind that picture. The cable 14 gauge works perfect with maximum 20 amps. The cable number 12 work perfect with maximum 25 amps. And don't forget that the neutral is the return of the current. The neutral is the return to the current. The return to the source of the power and finish into the ground. For that reason, look, this is the source of the power. This is the hot line. This is the hot line. This is the equipment. This is the motor, and the return is the neutral. At the source of the power, the neutral and the ground are together.